welcome back to another vlog. We out here. Damn, the homie Kex is here. Let's go. Finally bringing out the AMG, my boy. Oh, hell yeah, shit's clean. All right, you guys, so we're out here. We're about to wash the F80. The homie Kex pulled up. We out here at Dreezy's house. Got him over there. We got a little Mina over there, little princess. She's watching us wash the whips. We're getting ready because there's a huge car meet that we're about to head out to in just a bit. Today is Sunday. Meet starts at like 1. Right now it's like 11:30, 12.
Unicorn hit me up.
We're about to do the 2 bucket method on this thing. It wasn't really dirty, but we were driving around yesterday, so it got a little dusty. So we're just rinsing it off real quick. Got to get these wheels nice and shiny, so much brake dust, and then we'll be ready to roll, baby. Damn, check it out. Shout out to Dreez, bro. Clean ass machine setup, bro. So foamy. Bruh, I like it. Shit, it's better than throwing soap on a towel and shit. It's hot as hell outside right now, too. All right, we gotta wash this thing quick, though. Let's go. Dang, you guys, car came out super clean. Shout out to Idris for letting me use his equipment. Definitely need to get me a really nice wash setup. Super clean on this beautiful, gorgeous day today. Out here in Cali. Kex's car was already clean. Looks so good. Crazy. But yeah, we're about to head out. So the meet's all the way in OC, you guys. We're still debating right now if we should go all the way out there. It's freaking hot today. And I thought the meet was a little bit closer. I didn't know it was gonna be all the way in OC. So yeah, we're gonna make that decision and see what's good. But I do want to show you guys right now Apex built. You guys know I got their intakes, the front mounts. We still haven't installed them yet. Going to be doing that this week. The reason why we haven't installed them yet is because I've been waiting for their charge pipes to come in. Yes, you guys, I decided to pull the trigger at the same time as the intakes. Charge pipes that I got, they are their first ones of this colorway. It is the same colorway to match my actual front mount intakes. The piping design is going to be the same. So this was their first one, so they had to take product shots and do all that. So it did take a little while to send it out to me, but I finally got it. So thank you again, you guys. Shout out to Apex Build. If you guys need anything, I'm gonna put their Instagram down below. Super sick quality, looks amazing, came with everything you need. Looks great. Cannot wait to see it in the engine bay on my beautiful Austin yellow paint. It's gonna look sick when I pop the hood. I never pop my hood because obviously nothing's done to it right now. It's completely stock. So cannot wait to be popping the hood at meets. Make sure you guys follow them, hit them up if you guys need anything. But yeah, I'm gonna do a little bit of an unboxing before we head out. So let's get into that. So I actually been keeping them in the car because this week I am gonna be dropping the car off to AA Auto Works. But shout out to Apex Built. I got my intake still in the car too. So yeah, shout out to Apex Builds. Oh my God, you guys. Woo! That was sick. Sent me a little package here. Got the invoice. Thank you for your continued support of Apex. Means a lot. Can't wait for you to get everything installed. Enjoy the intakes and charge pipes. The new finish is stunning. Let's go. Take a look what's inside this little package here. Hey, we got more. We got more. They gave some to me last time. We got some more lanyards. Some more cool little wristbands. Definitely gonna be rocking all this stuff at Beamer Invasion, you guys. So you guys see me, I'm gonna have all the freshest gear on. Yes, we got some more very cool M5. This is their M5 car, shop car, that they have everything on their car that they make, and sent some stickers and some air fresheners. So thank you guys. Woo! All right, let's get into it, you guys. This is the big reveal. I have yet to see them as well. Can't wait to see how they look right now, you guys. I'm super excited. Let's get into it. A little bit of ASMR for you guys. Oh, there's a little peek. Ooh, dang. Let's go. Oh my God, you guys. As you know, the S55, we have 2 charge pipes and we have a J pipe. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. This is sick, you guys. I cannot wait, honestly. Imagine the titanium on the M3. How sick is that gonna look? All right, we're gonna have to open these up and really see them in this beautiful sunlight. Oh my God, you guys. This is so insane. I'm so excited, you guys. I've finally be working on the engine bay. Man, it's like a dream come true, honestly. Never thought I'd be modifying the engine bay like I am, but shout out to Apex for believing in my build and helping me make it so much more beautiful. But let's get this. Ooh. Oh my gosh. Super clean. Now with this, I always have to be careful. Definitely when we install it, gotta be careful because all the oils on your fingertips will stain the finish. Whoo, check that out, you guys. The welds are so sick. Boom, Apex. Imagine, you guys. Imagine it. Look at that. Crazy, crazy. It's gonna be so sick because there's gonna be so much titanium piping. I gotta find more titanium parts, honestly, for the engine bay, dress up bolts and all that. So if you guys have a company that makes awesome titanium parts for the engine bay for our cars, let me know. Comment down below. I have asked Apex to let me know if there's any other things that they make besides the charge pipes and intakes. So waiting on that. But damn, titanium finish on the Austin Yellow looks amazing. Oof, now that charge pipe looks so good, but this J pipe is much larger, and man, I have seen where the J pipes are located in our engine bays. I wish this piece would be a little bit more visible for you guys. Hopefully we can get a better look, but oof, look at this beauty. Freaking sick. That finish is amazing. You guys definitely need to hit up Apex Built. You guys are trying to make your car show car or just make it as best as it can be. Honestly, their parts have to be in your engine bay. Carbon fiber looks cool, but honestly, seeing titanium now in person like this with the welds and the color, hands down, I would pick this over carbon fiber any day.
It's too damn hot.
Hell yeah. And they sent all the fittings and shit, so sick, bro. Check it out, you guys. Got the boys finally out here. Bro, it's hot as fuck, bro. Send me that clip, bro, because they need to see how much I'm sweating right now. This shit is crazy, bro. But yeah, check them out, you guys. We're gonna put them out in the sun. Yeah. This shit slap out in the sunlight, bro. Woo, feel like we got the ice out. Damn. Let's go. Dreezy, let's go. Apex, Bill, make some M5 ones.
Hey, make some AMG.
Oh, they do.
Hey, make some AMG shit, man.
We need some F90 ones, though, Apex.
What are we talking about?
F90 for the boys.
M177, you need to get that shit.
Dude, these are so sick, you guys. I cannot wait. This is gonna be sick, bro. This is like one of my favorite mods right now. It's gonna look insane. Cannot wait to hear the intakes also. You guys haven't even seen that. This is all just the piping for the charge pipes and the J pipe. So even having the intakes on is gonna be even more. It's crazy.